Vancouver, BC is about 3 hours north of Seattle. Ever since Leezel and I moved, we have visited Vancouver each and every year. And so this summer, we were really excited to welcome Leezel's brothers to town.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
Here are some of the new things that we got to do.
Yo, so we out here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We're about to eat some dim sum. It's a 30-minute wait, and I'm ready to take some photos, baby. Let's go.
Instead of the dumplings and minced pork, can we have the Shanghai dumplings with crab meat? We'll do the deep fried shrimp dumplings or shrimp and chives.
They're both dumplings.
We just let her order.
The what?
Order for the table.
The second one?
Okay, the shrimp and chives. And can I also have the fried Shanghai rice cake? I will start there. Okay, thank you.
Asian food in Vancouver could quite possibly be the best we've had on the West Coast. If you're here, make your way to the neighboring city of Richmond, where you really can't go wrong. We had dim sum at this place called Shanghai River, and I could have easily eaten the whole menu. Alright, we're
Our mission is to
at the Airbnb, trying to check in a little bit early. Leezel's gonna text the host right now. It looks like a really nice neighborhood here in Vancouver.
How cute is this place? Yeah, go check that one. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Oh, wow. Couch. What? Alright, we can share, dude. You don't want to sleep with your brother?
The summers here in Vancouver are absolutely beautiful. If you like to shoot video or do photo, the scenes through the city will not disappoint, and the length of time you have with light is surprisingly long. After we got settled into the Airbnb, it happened to be the perfect time of day to take some shots. And of course, you know, we would not pass that up. What are we doing right now? These fools still taking pictures, look. Dang. Alright, so we parked the car in a questionable spot here in Vancouver. We're at peace with the risk. And now, as Bradley says, it's time to enjoy the night. Whatever happens, happens.
Z as in zebra, E-L. So, yeah. $32.
We just ordered like this Filipino food truck. I feel like we ordered the whole menu.
Wait, did you order?
I highly recommend chasing down the Shamelessly Filipino food truck in Vancouver. The four of us had the chance to share the adobo fries and the pandesal French toast with ube jam. And I'll tell you right now that you won't be disappointed. Oh, and a bonus point for Vancouver is to check out the Festival of Light, an annual firework festival and competition. I'll leave a link in the description to a separate video I've made about this event. All in all, it was a great time.
That was perfect, baby. That was perfect.
No matter what you do or where you go, I'm learning that it's about the people that you're with. It's about the opportunity to be together when the typical means that you're apart. I know that after weekends and trips like these, goodbyes are always hard. And I think that's why I make these videos, so that we never forget what it was like when we saw each other.
Until next time, Seattle and Vancouver. See you later.
Until next time, my name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.
Look at this portion control.
I know. Can you hand me a pork one? Is that the pork one?
Which one? This one?